Well, good morning, everyone. It's Mark from the Bike Cave coming back to you. There's my Comet dog. Let's go see how Chester's doing this morning. We got kind of a mess out here to clean up before we can get started on this xs750. Got XR Hondas on the brain. Sorry, folks. Got this thing in the other day. Had a no start. It was clicking at the starter solenoid. It's clicking, but the solenoid ain't working. I jumped over the solenoid and fired right up. So we're going to get this thing out of the way so we can get that stuff out of the way. So maybe we can get something done today. Been working on that boat over there for the last few days. Alright, well today, folks, we're going to be rebuilding these pistons, these calipers with these new pistons here. God, what the heck? Not cool. We'll have to wash them out again too, apparently. I don't know where they came from. Probably off of that dirt road, or maybe off of that dirt road. Okay, folks, we like this book, but it doesn't have enough information in it, so we got this book. Now, breakity, breakity, break. That's not breakity, breakity, break. So, seal will go in first. Let's see, that looks pretty good. What am I missing here? Take each step one by one. Aha. I'm keeping the dream alive. Inside of me. Alright, and it is in there. Complete. Alright, now it's showing the narrow side of the one that way. That don't seem right. Baby, come on. That goes in like so. I'm assuming it goes like that, but that's not what it's showing. It goes over like that. Aha. That makes more sense, don't it? I'm sorry, you guys can't see, can you? Yeah, okay. I see. I see. Okay. So this, and then this goes in there. So go in there first. I'm going to need to take that out of the way. Step, babe. 1 got under there. Okay. Well, that's all fine and dandy, but where does this bad boy go? Goes around that, doesn't it? Aha. That doesn't seem likely. Oh, yeah. Well, no. Only place it can go. That's what they're showing. That's the way it was, but gosh, that just doesn't look right. Is that gonna stay there? What's gonna hold that there? That doesn't look right. Let's look on another one. That's how it's at. Yeah, that's. Yeah, that's it. It's absolutely right. If we're looking, sick of hearing me tell you this, folks, but JIS, Japanese Industrial Standard. Okay. Okay. Yep. See, there it is, folks. That's why I leave the other ones together and do them one at a time. Comes in handy. Okay. Sumitimo. Cool. Okay then. Let's put this back together just long enough so we don't lose anything. That's another thing I like to do is start the bolts in the holes like so. So you don't lose them, and also make sure the right bolt goes back into the right hole, assuming it was right in the first place. That's not always the case. I'm a mechanic for 35 years now. Trust me, that is not always the case. Okay, so that's on there, right? That's on there. And that's it, boys and girls. Look at that. We just rebuilt the slave cylinder. Or a wheel cylinder in this case. So put it back with these guys here. That's where it goes. Clean that up before we put it back on. There's the rear ones. So they're all the same caliper, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to say we just done all three of them the same way. We should be good. And we'll get this all lubed up, put it all back together, get the forks put back on it. After we get those resealed, then we can start putting this front end back together. And then we're working on the back end. Man, that's tight. I can't believe how good a condition this old bike's in. Alright. Looks like that's it for now.